You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey.
Hello, my angels, my dears. I'm Angel, and thank you for watching. My mom was from the South Carolina, so I grew up on Southern cuisine. Yeah, this New York City girl. In culinary school, I was introduced to a whole new world of flavors and cooking techniques. So for November, Thanksgiving month, all my cooking and technique Tuesdays and baking videos will be my reimaginings of the dishes my mom made for our Thanksgivings. I hope you enjoy. You'll want to boil the pasta past al dente. We want it to be a little overcooked. Please excuse me for using the sink as part of my prep area. In my studio apartment, my prep space is very small. You see where the pan is? That's it. All right, now back to the video. Okay, I didn't need the whole 3 tablespoons of the butter. Instead, I used 2. And you should play it by sight. Just look at it and make sure it's enough to coat all of the macaroni. Okay, adding the milk now here, and it's the evaporated milk. My mom used the evaporated milk, and she used it straight from the can, and then she added water, as you'll see me do later. All right, now back to the video. And my mom used black pepper, not white pepper, as I'm using here. My mom used 2 whole eggs, but she made enough for a family of 8 children. I think she used like maybe 2 boxes of macaroni. Okay, back to the video. My mom used sharp cheddar cheese. Here I'm using sharp and extra sharp, and I'm using the orange, which she only used, and the yellow cheese. I'm going to make a list of variations of other cheeses you can use to make your macaroni and cheese taste a little bit more special. cheddar cheese is already salty, but after tasting, I realized it needed a little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper. All right, back to the video. So my mom never added milk on top like I'm doing here, but I saw it done on this movie I saw, I think it was on Hallmark Channel, and I said, hey, that's a good idea. So here I am trying it, and it made it soupy like I wanted it to be. Okay, back to the video. When you're spreading the cheese on top of the macaroni, make sure every little inch is covered. You don't want to have any macaroni peeking through. If you have to grate more cheese, grate more cheese. Okay, back to the video. Okay, I forgot to add the paprika before I put it in the oven. It looks like it's been in the oven for a couple of minutes. Okay, I took it out, sprinkled half of the macaroni and cheese with the paprika. Back to the video. My reimagining of my mom's baked macaroni and cheese, a slight variation. I'm using sharp cheddar and extra sharp cheddar, and I'm using a lot more cheese. And one day. All right now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you like. And have a blessed and beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads.